text represented numbers to numbers means, for example, this is 7. Now this is like if I write Excel, then it's aligning the left side, so it's a text, and the number would be in right. If I want to check, then just is text, and I will just write add this value, so it will show the true, means it's a number, but this will false because it's text, it's number. But if I check is number, then it's not number, so it's false. But 25 is number, which is aligned in the right side, so it will show the true. Yeah, but here 7 is not a number because it aligns in a left side, so it's showing a false. But it act like 7 will acts like a number. If I do sum of 7 and 25, okay, if I just calculate simply 7 plus 25, yeah, it will show the value 32. So 7 acts like a number, but it's a text. So in order to convert this 7 to the number, here I just go to data, text to column, select delimiter. In delimiter, I have to select nothing. Just go next. I just select general and just finish. So yeah. So now it's converted to right side, and here is also showing a true. Now it converted to number. The another thing is here I just convert to number, and it also converted to number.